A small token of love to everybody who was the Secretary ICA Bawan.
Embassy of Japan, Japan Foundation, ICC Arju Japan ICA, Tirpani T Dulmabai, or Talim Fastai second Shalni Romo Rabindra satabarshiki Bawan, Northeast Japan Caravan Panda songchajakha. Pandawa Chief Guest Manjaka ICNE Secretary, Information Tech Culture Affairs, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Chakraborty, Indian Council for Cultural Relation Jew Northeast the Director Manish Singh, Embassy of Japan in India ni First Secretary Takashi Koyabashi, Japan Foundation New Delhi ni Director Koji Sato, Shalni Rugi Songchajak Pandani Bishingti Tirpra Hasini Hukumo Mukumono Tuye, Ruchamung Moshamu. Te Japan ha kotoni hukumo mukumo tuino Ruchamung Moshamu
see by themselves. So there will be enjoyment from between both of the artists, and this will again strengthen our cultural relations. It will go a long way in cherishing the cultural aspects between Japan and northeastern states. Culture of Japan is very rich and traditional. There is a rich traditional culture in Japan. The identity of culture in any nation is a danger nowadays because of the first communication, because of the negative cultures, because of the globalization which have grown during the recent past. And in India, we are afraid of, we are afraid of our culture to be, destroyed. At the same time, Japan also thinks, the Japanese modern people, the modern youth, they are following the most ultra-modern culture. So, the cultures both in Japan and in India are at crossroads. So this has to be maintained, this has to be restored. These efforts will go a long way in restoring our cultural identity, both in the northeastern states as well as in Japan. I hope, and also the Japanese has a rich tradition of other aspects also. They maintain a good health. The longevity is the highest in the world. The Japanese, they die at a very higher age. So the span of life is best in Japan, the highest in Japan. So this is also to be known, how they can maintain their health for a very long time, a span of life. So the exchange between these two states, between Japan and between the country of Japan and India, will definitely give us a very good outcome. Hope all of you will enjoy it. Let us support, let us cooperate. The delegates who have come over here, they will stay here for 2 days and they will showcase beautiful events here. So let us enjoy. With this, let me conclude. Thank you once again.
Yes, Secretary, Information of Culture.